years old. Why I get big? Big man. So in their school right now, school back in session. So at least we can have something for him, you know. So we already plan out what we have to do. We just stick and see and see what we have in store. Remember to tell Cameron a happy birthday in the comment section. He will be going through the comments and looking out for it. So please, guys, wish him a happy birthday. All right. Right. On our way now to pick up Cameron from the bus stop. And we are from school. Normally we would have walked, but you know, because the rain. Yes, right. So, room set up, surprise ready, everything. Yes, so excited. Excited, I'm alive. Excited. I can't wait to see reaction.
And how did you know I like Naruto? How did you guys know I like Naruto?
I listen.
Is this really my room still?
It doesn't look like your room, does it? It looks
No.
clean.
As long as you know.
Clean and organized.
I thought my room would look the same.
Are you surprised?
Very surprised. I'm thinking my room isn't that cool.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Mama and Tami.
You're welcome.
I didn't even know I'd come to him. This is heavy.
Okay, go to the next one.
My Hero Academia.
Mm-hmm.
Picture.
And then even got a. Thank you, Mama. George. Really?
What is it? Turn around so Tami can take a picture.
The 45 dip collar. Thank you, Mama and Tami.
You're welcome.
And we got a birthday card from I don't know who. Yay. Who's it from?
Us. Read it out loud. Up the front first, please. Read it out loud.
Happy birthday to be a great son. You're smart, you're funny, you're caring, you're talented, you're hardworking, and you're all around good guy. Cameron, you are the light to my world. Your dad loves you always, and he would make sure you are good. I love you the most. You are the smart and keep up the good work and work and be always happy. I love you, Mom. And then most but most of all, you're a great son because you're happy birthday with love. Happy birthday, Cameron. I love you so much. I am happy to be a part of your life. You make me smile every day. Keep being a light of fun. Super smart, kind, and loving. Oh, love always, Tami. I can read them. And I also have something for you. Because I have and for 10 minutes, for all my 10 minutes, I did this. Mommy and Tami, I love you very much. Thank you for giving me this nice life. I love everything nice life, and I love it. It's the best life ever. Even though that dad is gone, you help me get through all the bad stuff. You always brighten my day, Mama and Tami. You always make me happy, no matter what. Smiley face.
Aww. Love you. I love it, baby. I know.
It's the best birthday ever. And I even got a beanbag chair. A beanbag chair. But I want to ask, how does this go off the walls?
I don't know, but let's get the trash out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cameron. Happy birthday to you.
I love you.
Love you. Woohoo! Yeah! How you enjoying your birthday so far?
I love it. I got so much gifts, a new room. I love it so far.
Nice. I love the haircut.
Thank you.
So how old are you now?
9.
How does being 9 feel?
The same.
The same. That's an honest answer. Alright.
And I like it being 9 because that means I can stay up longer. Yeah.
You're ugly for that?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
We're not.
Yeah. You age new time for bed.
Earlier time for bed.
No.
Alright guys, so we're there now. We are to eat and stuff. Yeah, we're waiting. So when that vibrator time is up, I was just chilling. It's a great day. I like the watch too.
It also lights up when I click the light button. Right here.
Look at who's popular today. Phone been ringing off all day. Happy birthday here, happy birthday dear. Mr. Popular. Love it.
Oh, here we go. See, I can grab it. Stop moving. I knew it.
Aww.
I'm trying winning one.
It's too close to the thing.
Oh, I see. Wait for the timer to go.
Ketchup. Did you cut it?
I can't. What is this? Thank you. Look at this.